Hey, good morning, traders, and welcome to the Pip Hunter Trading Show this morning as we go ahead and chase after 20 pips out of the market. That's what we've been doing, and that's what we're going to continue to do for the rest of the week. Now, we're going to go ahead and take a look at some trade opportunities that we're currently still in, and we're going to go ahead and look for trade opportunities that we're going to go ahead and enter into. Now, we're going to do all of that. Stick around. We're going to do all of that in the session today right after this. I'll see you in a bit. All righty, traders, well, welcome back to the trading show as we go ahead and take a look at some trade opportunities this morning. Hopefully, everyone is having a good time so far this week. Markets have been not so aggressively moving, but we're starting to see some movement at the moment right now. We're going to go ahead and take a look and see what's going on, how we're going to go ahead and trade it. So let's jump into the market straight away, and let's look for the opportunity right now. So let's go to the chart, and let's take a look and see what do we have right now that we can go ahead and grab as an opportunity. So as I go ahead and take a look at the Aussie CAD, it looks like we might have an opportunity here. I noticed that we did take out that wave high right here. So which means that the market is probably looking to extend itself towards this target up here. So which means there could be two things happening here. Number one, let me go ahead and firstly clear out this swing, so I can explain what's going on here. And okay, so this is what we have. Let's kill that too. And I'm going to kill that as well. All right, so what we have here is we have on the Aussie CAD, we have a wave 1, wave 2. That's fine. We got that part right. Then we have the market rallying up to wave 3 up here at the top. And then we had a B, C. And then we've got an A, B, C. So this could possibly be happening. If the market takes out the high right here, we might just be in an irregular flat pattern, which means that price may want to come back down further down south. But I somewhat doubt it. And the reason why I'm saying that is because we already came back to test the wave 1 low right here. So I'm going to suspect that we're actually on our way off towards this target up here. So which means that I have to go ahead and take a look at the swing. Now, if I'm wrong and we continue to show, at the moment right now, continue to show bearish divergence, so the market does look like it wants to pull back down. But the question here is, if I go ahead and pull in my fibs right from there to there, and I'm going to focus in on the 4-hour time frame here, and I notice that we do have a 1.61 extension here. All right, that's where the third wave should be going ahead. The inside third wave should be going to. I'm also going to mark off this because this is going to be resistance and price is going to be rejected slightly. So if we're going to get price rejecting off this level of this resistance here, then there's a good chance that we might be chasing after this low before the market goes bullish. So this is the irregular flat that I'm really more interested in here, as the market comes back off a very shallow retracement, goes ahead and creates a little small irregular flat here, but then takes off. And so there's two things that can happen here. Number one, the market can pull back and start chasing after the lows down here, or we can go to the 1.618 right here and then start working its way back towards the wave 1 low. So there's going to be pullback. And so if price does go up a little higher, then we certainly have negative divergence here as it goes to the 1.618. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look over here, and I'm going to see we've got about 40 pips towards the upside. So I'm going to look to sell Aussie CAD for either a pullback down here, or it might go up 1 or 2 extra positions and then turn around and head back down south. So I'm quite comfortable with this. Let me go to the 15-minute time frame. Take a look at the 15 here. So the 15 is showed here that we had a wave 1, 2. Let's see here. Yeah, so it looks like we had a 5-wave structure right here inside here. Take a look there. So the 15-minute time frame has already given us a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we're taking out the high right here. And so there might be a bigger swing. This might be a bigger wave 1 swing. And this is just a correction in wave 2 as price wants to go down deeper down south as we create that irregular flat on the 4-hour. So, all right. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to stick with the game plan and sell the Aussie CAD right here. Now, I'm currently in 2 positions still right now. I'm currently in on the US dollar CAD. I'm looking for that buy to go ahead and pay out, and I'm still shorting the CAD Swiss, looking for that to pay out as well. CAD Swiss has been moving very slow over the last few days. So, in fact, the last week has been very slow. So we'll take a look and see how that plays out. But let's go to the let's go take a look at the Aussie CAD right here. I'm going to go ahead and sell Aussie CAD. So I'm selling Aussie CAD now. Because I'm selling Aussie CAD, I'm going to go jump straight to the New Zealand CAD right here and take a look at the New Zealand CAD. Let's see what the New Zealand CAD has got this morning. All right, 4-hour time frame. Well, the 4-hour time frame right here shows us that. So that's not the 4-hour. That's the 15. Let me jump to the 4-hour. Here's the 4-hour. Shows us that we've got negative divergence here. So we do have some negative divergence setting up over here. I see an indecision candle a little bit over there. I might want to be on the sideline on this one right here a little bit. Yeah. Let's go down now. Let me go to the 15-minute time frame. Let's see if we're going to get some further downside action on this. Let's see here. On the 15, I got a big swing down here. So there is room for the market to drop down a little bit further down south on this. But I think I'm going to stand aside on the New Zealand CAD. I'm going to take on the Aussie CAD into the weekend, but I think I'm going to go ahead and stick around. All right, I'm going to take a look and see how this plays out right here. John says that I'm showing I've got Aussie CAD 3 open positions on the Aussie CAD. You might be talking about the trade replica, John. In fact, you might want to check that. I don't think we've got 3 positions in on that either. You need to go ahead and double check on that. Yeah, I'm seeing only 2. All right, so I'm going to stand aside here on the Aussie, the New Zealand CAD. I'm not going to put a trade on the New Zealand CAD right here. Let's take a look and see what else we've got here. US dollar CAD, yeah, we are currently in buys at the moment right now in US dollar CAD. And we're going to stick around on that. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Let's see if we're still good on the... yeah, we got support right here, and we're still holding at that support here. So I'm going to stay long on US dollar CAD. And we currently have, let's see here. We have, looks like we've got 2 positions in on the US dollar CAD right here. So we'll stay long on US dollar CAD. Let's take a look at the Euro US dollar. And I like the fact that we're seeing an oversold condition Look how the market's holding up at this level right here. So we've seen the market holding up at the support right here. And so we're looking for the market to go ahead and bounce back up. Let's see here. This is the 1 hour. Let's go back to the 4 hour. Yeah, we've just come off a fifth wave right here. So the long-term upside move is expected to go bullish. The 4 hour is also stating that it's over bought right now. Oversold right now. So we're definitely looking for price to go ahead and move back up north. We'll stick around a little bit longer on this one and check it out. Traders, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and buy Euro US dollar, but I'm going to do that right after our sponsors. All right, thank you. I want to go ahead and thank ACAP for sponsoring this show. If you want to go down below and check out the link down below is the link for ACAP. If you want to open up a trading account, if you're an international trader and you want to open up a trading account, check out below. There's a link down there to open up with ACAP. Also, I want to remind you down below inside the description as well is a Telegram link that you can go ahead and join. And you'll get all the trades that we currently have that we're placing inside the session. So all the trades that we place in the session, you can go ahead and track those trades through the Telegram channel. Just check it out down below. The link is there for you to go ahead and check out. Now, while you're down there, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, but also go ahead and smash the like button. Let's get this video out to as many people as possible. We'd love to continue to do these shows, and with your support and with, of course, our sponsors, we can make it happen. So I do appreciate everyone. Just go ahead and smash that like button so we can get this video out there. Now, let's go ahead and buy US dollar. And I'm going to go over here, US dollar right here. I'm going to go ahead and buy. So I'm buying US dollar, Euro US dollar right here. And if you actually take a look right here, there's two things that that we should keep an eye on. The fact that we've got the dollar CAD, we're looking to buy dollar CAD, which means we're expecting some strength out of the US dollar. But if you look, we've just gone in and bought US dollar CAD, Euro US dollar. So if we've bought Euro US dollar and we're buying US dollar CAD, both of them are basically trading the dollar in the opposite directions, right? One we're selling, the other one we're buying. Well, it's a bit of a hedge position, and so which means it allows us to let the market go sideways for a bit and profit on both ends. So we're not really committing ourselves to one direction, whether we're either strong on the dollar or weak on the dollar. We're not committing to both, but we are playing the support and resistance levels that we're seeing right now, currently right now, that shows that we're going to get into a little bit of a sideways range on the dollar. So we'll see how it plays out. If the market does go further down south, we may end up going ahead and taking some profit on this, but we're going to wait for it to go ahead and move down further down south. To take profit on the, move back up north to take profit on both those positions. Now, again, we are trading different currencies against each other, right? Euro trading against the dollar, and we've got the CAD trading against the dollar. So there are different currencies trading against, which does make a difference because although they trade against the same pair, like the dollar, it's the other currency that also could affect the market's directional bias. So I'm okay going in and trading a buy and a sell on the dollar with two different currency pairs. So it is what it is. Let's take a look over here. So we've got currently right now, we're holding on to 4 positions. We are long US dollar CAD. We are short Canadian Swiss. And we are short Aussie CAD. And we are currently long on US dollar, Euro US dollar. All right. We've stood aside on the New Zealand Canadian dollar. We'll take a look and see how this plays out for the rest of the week, and give it some time. Of course, we've only got Friday tomorrow. We might carry some position over the weekend, but we'll see how this plays out. So with that being said, traders, have a fantastic afternoon. Good luck with your trading, and we'll see everyone back again next week. When do we start again? Wednesday? No, Tuesday. We didn't choose. I'm just thinking. Am I here? Yeah, I am going to be here Tuesday. So I'll see you back next week, Tuesday, same place, same time. This is FxBigDog signing off.